Hello and welcome back to TechnoSurge and YouTube channel. So we had the issue where Asrock's motherboard were frying Ryzen 9000 CPUs, but now Asrock has released an AM5 motherboard BIOS fix for Ryzen 9000 frying issue, and this is just with Asus. As you can see, there is a BIOS version 3.40 which is available right now, and it improves the stability. It's updated to the latest version of EGISA code, and it improves memory compatibility and system stability, enhance CPU operating stability. And the issue was that Asrock was pushing too much voltages into this CPUs, that's why it's causing the issue. Though other manufacturers have somewhat of an issue, but Asrock had major issues. As before the Ryzen 9000 processor were released, it found that the export profile and the higher DDR and SoC voltage were to blame. Asrock's latest BIOS adjust these voltages, and the motherboard are now killing Ryzen 5 9600X also. 4Ks were reported in last 2 weeks. So it's just not that the high end is affected, it's also the low end parts of Ryzen 9000 series is affected. As you can see in the images over here, 9600 has been destroyed. As you can see, the boot LED is stuck, it's not posting, and back-to-back failures was reported. It was B850M with Ryzen 5 9600X, and this was like the no post issue, and yeah, it's happening continuously. And as you can see on the screen here, the affected Ryzen 7 9800X 3D is too much, but as you can see on Asrock, many other processors are also affected. Most of them are 9000, but 7000 series are also not spared, and 8000 series is also not spared from this issue. Next up, Microsoft has hit pause on Copilot integration on Windows 11 as because of massive backlash and various other things. As Pawan Dovilur, president of Windows and Devices for Microsoft, has said, the feedback we are receiving from our community of passionate customers and Windows Insider has been clear. We need to improve Windows in ways that are meaningful for people. This year you will see us focus on addressing pain points we hear constantly from customers, improving system performance, reliability, and the overall experience of Windows. Trust is earned over time, and we are committed to building it back with the Windows community. They should have done it very long time ago, but they didn't do it, and now because of the backlash and various other people which are going back to Windows 10 or Linux switching, they are forced to do it. Because Copilot was one thing where Microsoft has redesigned their keyboard segment for Copilot also. There was a Copilot key, but now it's not panning out good for them. That's why they are going back, and they are focusing on system stability, which they had done it because Windows 11 is not that stable. You need it for gaming, but it's not that stable at this current point of time. And as you can see, Microsoft is walking back on Windows 11, AI overload, scaling down Copilot, and rethinking recall in a major shift. So finally recall is not happening. It might happen, but still they are not focusing on AI at this current point of time. Let's just hope they focus on system stability, and it's not just wordings at this current point of time. Let's just hope. I will keep you updated regarding it. Next up, Nvidia is GeForce RTX 5090 and 5080 SKUs is sell out in few minutes on company's marketplace. Good thing, but bad thing to see, because they should have abundance of RTX 5080 and 5090 cards, but it's not there, and the stock is gone on company's marketplace. It might be available elsewhere, but on company, if you want the founder edition, it's gone, and we still don't know when it will be available back. So it's looking pretty good, not pretty good, but pretty bad at this point of time. As you can see, the RTX 5090 and 5080 was sold off in just 7 to less than half an hour. So yeah, it is what it is. And lastly, we have some news where it feels like the AI bubble is about to pop, as there is a report which says that don't fear the AI taking over job place because AI bubble is right off close to the popping. As AI code assistants are getting worse, newer models are more prone to silent but deadly failure models, which is to be expected because these are trained on users previous done things and stuff like that, and that's how they train and they get the codes and various other things, but it is not perfect all the time. If you're a coder, you know it, like this they can make mistakes, but a programmer, though it can also make mistakes, it's not on that level that AI can make. AI can, if you use only AI generated code, you're not learning from it, and at the same time the issue is you're using this code, you don't have mental capabilities to rectify this code if anything goes wrong, and if you're in a professional environment, these codes can break if it doesn't works. If it can break the entire system, though a programmer will take this code and refactor it according to the things which is needed, and that's why AI bubble is about to be popped, I guess. The thing is, AI models needs to be trained, and I think we are reaching at a point where there's not enough data to train. Like, it has reached a stable point where there's not enough data at this current point of, and we are trained everything on the old data which we are available. So unless we get some major breakthrough and stuff like that, it will be a stable increase. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.